Welcome to Febby's Tutorials. My name is Mr. Febby, and as our logo suggests, we help you grow wings and fly. We understand that not every child is the same. They have different levels of understanding. Yes, when it comes to different levels of understanding, we are not able to grasp everything all of a sudden. So here, we try to simplify things for you. For example, this video talks about common and proper nouns. What are common nouns and what are proper nouns? Let's have a look. When we talk about nouns, it can be a name, any name. It can be the name of a place. It can be an animal, or it can be a thing. So in short, when we talk about nouns, it's name, place, animal, or thing. I hope you got that. Now when we're talking about proper nouns, here is a trick that we tell everyone. And that is, all proper nouns start with a capital letter, or they start with an uppercase. Yes, all sentences start with a capital letter as well, but then it is not necessary that they are proper nouns. How can we identify proper nouns? They can be the names of people, names of places, names of animals, or names of things. Example, Joe, Martha, London, Australia, Leo the lion, Toyota, Audi, Big Ben, and so on. It can be the days of the week and the months of the year. Example, January, February, Wednesday, Friday, etc. And it can also be the titles given to people or the titles that you see in your books or writings. Example, doctor, so we use DR for that. Reverend, as in the church reverend, we use REV for that. Sherlock Holmes, that's the title of a book. Yes, the Diary of a Wimpy Kid is as well. We can also say Chapter 1, The Room. That is the title or heading of a writing or a novel or a series of books. It can be anything. So a proper noun will always begin with a capital letter. Now what are common nouns? Oh wow, do you see pillow? Yes, I see pillows everywhere in my house. That is so common. Yes. Do you see cats? Yes, I see cats everywhere. Do you see pasta? Do you see streets? Do you see houses? Do you see plates? Do you see cars? Do you see books? Do you see boys? Do you see pillows or tables? Do you see trees? Do you see phones? Do you see schools? Do you see grass? Yes, we do see all of them everywhere. So we say anything that you can see everywhere, which is common, is a common noun. For example, I can say school. Yes, that's a common noun. But if I were to give a name to the school, then it becomes a proper noun. For example, street. Yes, we do see streets everywhere. But if I were to say Mayfair Street, that's the name of a street. So as soon as I do that, that becomes a proper noun. Now let's have a quick quiz. Is it common or proper when I say shirt? Shirt is a common noun because we see them everywhere. What about Samsung? I know. Yes, we do see them everywhere, but that is the name of a brand, so it becomes a proper noun. What about sofa? We see sofas everywhere. So is it common? Yes, definitely. It is a common noun. What about Febby's Tutorials? That is the name of our company, so it is a proper noun. Here's a tricky question for you. What about apple? Hmm, that's right. It can be proper if it is used as the name of a company, or it can be common if you're talking about fruit. Good job, guys. You got it. If you want to learn more such tricks and tips, join us at Febby's Tutorials. You can visit us on our website, febbystutorials.co.uk. Please subscribe to our videos so that you get the notification as soon as we upload a video. Thank you very much. You have a great one. Bye.